They're pretty good. Damn, so they're gonna save Poochie for last, guys.
Untuk info sementara
You know
guys,
Poochie's
itu
better when
Putri Aryani masih
they're
belum
before her.
tampil. Saat ini yang sedang tampil eh, grup paduan suara dari Afrika Selatan yaitu Sansi Youth Choir.
Who's performing right now? It's the youth choir, guys. The youth choir is performing now. They're doing awesome. They
Jadi
got the crowd on their feet going crazy. They got Simon. Got both hands in the air.
live streaming
Calm down. They got
yang
gold confetti
dari
coming
studio
down.
seperti yang kami
They
janjikan
got gold confetti
kemarin
coming down. Wow. They're putting on
di
the
channel
show.
murid baru
They
dan
are
juga
putting on the
channel
show, guys.
Edi Ministry. Rupanya masih
Wow.
belum bisa sampai saat ini guys karena
Wow.
jaringan dari
Let's see how many judges are on the feet.
Amerika
Let's see how many judges are on the feet.
kurang mendukung. Jadi
All the
saat
judges-
ini yang
All
sedang
the judges are on the feet, guys. Everybody's on their feet.
nah
Wow.
jadi
Wow, Heidi's first.
Sansi Youth
Wow.
Choir baru saja tampil dan dari
Wow,
informasi
excellent. Wow. They're
itu
really,
penampilannya
really good.
bagus
Good
sekali dan
vibes from
disambut
Heidi.
baik sama seluruh juri.
She loved it. I thought it looked good. She said she loved the way it looked. Wow. The choir was so good. Sophia. Everybody got goosebumps for real. It's like a feel-good moment. They made her smile. It's like listening to a soundtrack from a movie. Oh, yeah, 100. I totally agree.
Ya rupanya kelompok paduan suara dari Afrika Selatan ini mendapatkan
The energy, the performance. It draws you
apresiasi
in.
yang bagus
Yes.
dari seluruh juri guys.
They made them. Oh my god. I think they might have stole one of Putri's vote, guys. We'll see. We'll see. They might have stole one of her vote, guys. I don't know. They bring the beauty, their culture, their look. They make it so unique, original, magnetic. He doesn't love choirs, but he loves them. How he loves them. Wow, how he loves them. Wow. Wow. They did so well. Wow. They did so good, guys. They might have took Putri's vote. They might have took Putri's vote, guys. Wow. Oh my god. They might have took one of her votes, if not a couple. We'll see. Like I said, I'm not voting till the end. I'm not going to vote early. I'm going to wait till the end. Because something like that, they did incredible. They did incredible. Uh-oh. Who's coming up? We got the sword guy. We got... Let's see who we have. No Putri. Still no Putri. Nothing yet, guys. Whew. Alright, let's see what we have, guys. Alright. Let's see what we got. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is not a fake channel. Yeah, I don't know how. No, this is not a fake channel, guys. Oh, man. I can't show nothing, guys. I can't show nothing. Yeah. Thank you so much for letting them know. I really appreciate that. But, wow. Yeah, I don't know. They might have stole some of Putri's vote, guys. Yeah, it's annoying sometimes with some of these people, but uh, it's all good. There's just so much people still enjoying this. I really appreciate y'all tuning in, showing the love. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the hearts. I really appreciate it. I try my best. If you'd like to give some hearts, throw some hearts in the comments. I appreciate it. Tomorrow I'll be live streaming, so if you want to see if Putri or the choir goes to the next round right away, I will let you know if they go to the next round. So these are all the acts that performed so far. Summer did awesome, but she's not taking home my vote. I didn't like his performance. We still have quite a bit of performances. We still have Putri coming up, guys. We have them coming up. But don't forget, we have voting. Voting is open right now. Tomorrow, we'll find out who's in the top 5. We'll find out who's in the top 3 tomorrow. And then we'll see who advances to the next round. We have week 1, we have Lavender. We have the dog Hurricane. Week 2, we have the dance group and the comedian for week 2. Now, who will advance this week? Would it be Putri? We'll find out. So go vote. Voting is open
Jadi
right
sekali
now.
lagi untuk informasi,
I can't wait to see her perform.
sampai saat ini Putri Aryani masih belum tampil, guys.
Yeah, the link.
Dan
Let me go ahead and show you real quick.
streaming
So if you want to,
yang
voting is
kemarin
open right now,
diinfokan
guys.
di
So if you want to
channel
vote,
Muri
voting is
Baru
open
dan
right
channel
now.
satunya
So you go
lagi,
to the app. You go to America
ternyata
Got Talent app,
sampai
right?
saat ini
So you
belum
have to.
bisa
The voting is
karena
open right now. Voting is
jaringan
open.
untuk live
So it loads
streamingnya
up,
dari
right?
Amerika sana
Now
kurang
the
stabil, guys.
choir, they
Jadi
did
untuk
so amazing.
sementara
I might vote for them. I
kita
might give them
dengarkan
vote,
saja
one
informasi
vote.
dulu dari
I can
live
submit it,
streaming
but I'm not submitting
salah
right now.
seorang
I'm gonna go back.
konten
I could vote
kreator
for
dari
Poochie already. I can
Amerika
vote
sana.
10 times, up to 10 times, if I wanted to. But I'm not voting right now, guys. I'm not voting
Tetapi
right
dia
now.
tidak
I'm
berani
going back.
untuk
I'm not voting for
menyiarkan
nobody yet
secara
until the
langsung
end
karena
of this episode.
takut channelnya
Remember,
di
it's
strike.
until Wednesday on the 7 a.m. and you got to be over 16 and in the U.S. and Puerto Rico. So there you go. They might have stole the vote or a couple. I don't know. We'll find out in a minute. There you go, guys. We'll see what I vote for in a little bit. All right, we're back on. Let's see who we got. All right, we got Justin Jackson up next, guys. Justin Jackson. This is who's performing next, guys.
Jadi ini hanya untuk info awal saja, guys. Nanti
Gabriel is a golden
lengkapnya
buzzer, but
kita
he is not in the finals. He's in the
tonton sama
semifinals,
di
guys.
siaran langsung channelnya EGT.
He will be performing in a couple of weeks.
Karena sampai saat ini seorang pun tidak ada yang berhasil melakukan live streaming.
Sorry guys, I'm trying to vote. Vote for the choir. Yeah, I don't know, man. The choir might get one of my votes, guys. They were so amazing. Yeah, he will perform the last week of these semifinals, Gabriel. So if you're looking for Gabriel, he will be performing in a couple weeks, guys. And I will be live streaming. How many left? How many performers are left? I want to say 1, 2, 3,
Jadi untuk
4,
informasi yang
5
mendapatkan
performances left.
apresiasi yang bagus dari juri, yaitu yang Warriors kuat dari India dan juga yang pemain biola itu yang namanya Phil apa kalau nggak salah. Pokoknya yang bakatnya itu yang pemain biola itu juga tadi dapat sambutan bagus dari para juri. Nah sekarang yang perform yang dari Kanada, yang pendancing itu yang Justin.
He's a temp dancer. He's doing okay. He's doing okay. Putri has not performed yet, guys. She'll
Jadi
probably be last.
sekali lagi sampai saat ini Putri masih belum perform. Mungkin sengaja dia dikasih di paling belakang guys supaya
So
para
he's
pemirsanya
okay.
tidak meninggalkan TV-nya mungkin. Jadi strategis bisnis juga supaya rating acaranya tetap tinggi, orang semua menunggu Putri. Jadi sengaja
Okay,
dikasih
so
tampil
it was-
belakangan.
I don't know. I really don't. I say no. Oh. I don't care too much for it, to be honest. So Sophia liked it.
Nah, yang penampilan dancing ini disukai sama Sofia.
So Sophia loved them.
Tapi menurut streamer ini penampilannya sebenarnya kurang bagus.
So he is very talented. So he did a brilliant job for Simon.
Nah, Simon juga menghargainya.
Let's see what Howie. He loved tap dancing. He's classic. So Howie, he loves it.
Oke, jadi Howie Mendel juga
So Howie let's see what Howie says.
mengapresiasi penampilan pendancing ini yang menurutnya itu
So she
dancernya
liked it better the last time.
yang klasik ya.
So she's kind of like iffy about it. How do you like the other performance
Jadi
more?
sejauh ini
So that's not
penampilan
good.
yang bagus
That's not
itu
good.
masih dipegang
If you
oleh
liked his last performance,
Sansi
That's not
Youth
good, guys.
Choir sama Warrior Squad.
alright. So where's everybody from in here? Leave in the comments below. Leave in the comments and tell me where you're from, guys. Let me say. Let me see. Where's everybody from? Leave in the comments below. Oh, Columbus, Ohio. Right. Awesome. Anybody else? We got Florida in the house. Wow. Australia. Brazil's in the house.
Oke guys,
Who else we got?
sampai di sini aja dulu live streamingnya. Untuk informasi kepada teman-teman,
Indonesia.
itu AGT sudah mulai mengupload
Yes, Brazil. Another Brazil.
siaran
Yes.
langsung di channelnya. Ini sudah
Indonesia
ada
in the
3
house.
qualifier yang diupload, yaitu yang Warrior Squad,
Oh, wow.
Trish Watson dan Samurais.
Expect so
Jadi
much
teman-teman
US in here.
bisa
Wow. I thought it was gonna be
menontonnya di
nothing but,
sana.
Indonesia,
Oke
but I guess
guys,
not. Wow.
terima
Wyoming,
kasih sudah
alright.
bersama
Wow.
saya.
Singapore. Wow, Singapore's in here. All right. Thank y'all guys for leaving in the comments where y'all from. Wow. Awesome. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. All right, let's see. Don't forget, guys, we will be live streaming tomorrow. So if Putri goes to the next round, we will find out tomorrow. Wow. Do you like Simon? He's okay. I mean, Netherlands. Wow. 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 Awesome. Thank you guys. We got the USA in here. Yes, Brazil. Awesome. Thank you guys so much.